We have an iPhone 11 Pro Max. It looks like it's been shot multiple times. It's got holes everywhere, the display is completely gone, but the back and everything is fine. Maybe expand the battery, not sure. Let's open it up and let's see if we can fix it. For this, I'm going to be using GPT to help me step by step to repair this. Let's get on with the video. Okay, so the tools you'll need is a tri-pin screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, a pentalobe screwdriver, a suction cup, some plastic tools, a SIM tray remover, and obviously the display. So for preparation, we need to power off the phone, which I don't think I can do due to the display being so badly broken. Yeah, it's not powering off. Okay, so what we'll do is just remove the SIM tray. So the first step is to get your pentalobe screwdriver and remove the two bottom screws. Now it says to use a suction cup to open it, but I can't as the display's cracked, so we're just going to use a gap and get the plastic flakes and pop it open. Working my way around the edges, we should be able to just pop open the display. Now step 3 is to disconnect the battery, so I'm going to remove the pentalobe screws inside. It says Phillips, but there's only pentalobes here. I'm going to disconnect the connector. I'm not going to disconnect the bottom one as it doesn't say on the ChatGPT. Now let's remove the screws for the connector, display connector, and let's unplug it using the spudger. Now let's prepare the new display. Let's bring it in. Bring back the old display so we can take the camera off it. Using the pentalobe screwdriver and the Phillips screwdriver, let's remove the speaker. Luckily for us, it came off with a bracket, so we can just place it straight onto the new phone. Now let's reconnect the display. The earpiece speaker and the touch one. Let's put in all the brackets as well and the screws. Let's also reconnect the battery and put on the plastic shield, so the metal shield, and let's add the screws in as well. Let's test the display now. Everything seems to be good, so okay, let's close down the phone. Let's add the 2 pentalobe screws. Let's power on the phone. Let's put on the SIM tray. We're done. Seems to be all good. It does say test it, but I won't be setting it up as the phone's not for me. It's for someone that handed it in. So, in that note, I'll see you on the next video. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace.